What's up traders, hope you all having an awesome weekend. So a quick video here for the traders who are trying to install the indicators on their MacBook using MT4 platform. So if you're someone in my priority group, you receive these indicators for free. And also if you join Switch Market, which is also one of my partner brokers, you get these 4 indicators for free for your MT4 platform. This is a risk management. It tells you the exact lot size based on your risk to reward ratio, and then you have a value at risk EA, then you have currency strengthened meter. It tells you which currency is stronger against the other currency, and then support and resistance indicator as well. So right here, there's a screenshot of these indicators. If you want to get these indicators, all you need to do just join Switch Market and you'll get the email from the Switch Market with these files. Now these are the 4 indicators you get from the Switch Market, but other 2 indicators which I personally use, which is the pattern indicator and the trend identifying indicator. Those are my personal indicators which I send members once they join priority group. So that is what I'm going to show you how to install those as well. So if you're using Windows, then I've already made a video and I'm going to put the link for that as well. So if you're using Windows, you know how to install that on Windows. But for the MacBook, let me show you how to do it. I'm going to show you my personal indicators, which is the pattern indicator first. So what you need to do on your MacBook Pro, all you need to do, click on File, then click on Open Data Folder. Once you do that, it will open the folder right here. Then you need to click on My MacBook Desktop, and then you need to click where you have your indicators saved. So in my case, I have the indicators saved right here in this folder, the indicators folder. Once you open the folder, click on the pattern indicator. Let's say you receive this indicator, click on that, and then it will open the ex4 file. What you need to do, right click, copy, go back with these arrow right up there, exactly the same way you need to do. You reach the empty MetaTrader 4 folder. Once you are here, you need to click on MQ4, then you need to click on indicators, and then you need to right click and paste the indicator in this section. Once you do that, cross it from here and then right click and refresh. And it will be better if you just close your MT4 platform and then open it back again. Once you do that, you will have the indicator right here in this section. So click on it, drag it, and leave it like this. Click on Allow DLL Imports and click OK. Now you have the indicator right here. It shows the description, 1 pattern found, which is Bullish Butterfly. That is what here, Bullish Butterfly pattern, and that is how you implement these indicators on your chart. So this is one of my personal indicator which you receive when you join the priority group, and then you receive another indicator which is the trend identify indicator. Exactly the same way, just need to paste the indicator here, drag it right here, allow DLL imports, and right here it will show you the trend of the market. So that is how you implement these indicators on your charts. So these are the indicator that is also placed on my website right here. I bought this indicator way more expensive than this if you just want to buy it from my website. Otherwise, you get it for free if you join the priority group, which is your standard plan right here, $28 a month, or even if you buy the course, you will get these indicators for free. Also, if you're wondering, this is my new website, which is live, but it is not completely launched yet. I still need to upload some content right here, and it is more upgraded and you got some more features here, more user friendly. Like if you join, let's say you join priority group, you just join the group and then you are in control of your full account. All you need to do is just click on your account, and then you have your memberships here. You need to click on priority group. You can cancel your membership, or you can just go to members area, and then you have all the reports. I'm also launching the indices report very soon, which will be uploaded here as well every week on Monday and Tuesday. Also, the course price is going to go up once this website is fully launched, as you can see right here, from $6.99 to $7.25, slightly up, not too much. But if you still decide to buy it from my old website, you're going to still get it at this price until this website is fully operational. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you are struggling to install the indicators on MacBook, then from now you know how to do it. Hope you trade green and have an awesome weekend. Take care.